like to tell them about that?
So water birthing, it's not like some fancy thing. First of all, whoever you are fan following, listeners, எல்லாருக்கும், the main thing that I want to tell is that physiologically land birth நன்னா ஆச்சுன்னா it is a very big thing. ஏன்னா இப்போ கரண்ட் இருக்கிற சுச்சுவேஷன்ல ஒரு மெடிக்கலைஸ்ட் பர்த்தா இருக்கிற சுச்சுவேஷன்ல தேர் நம்மளுக்கு டு பி ஏபிள் டு டெல் தட் எனக்கு ஒரு ரெஸ்பெக்ட்ஃபுல் மெட்டர்னிட்டி கேர் வேணும், என்னோட கேர் ப்ரொவைடர் ஷுட் பி ஏபிள் டு டாக் டு மீ லைக் ஐ எம் அன் அடல்ட் இல்லையா. அவள் நம்மளுக்கு சாய்ஸஸ் தரணும். நம்மளுக்கு டியூரிங் லேபர் அண்ட் பர்த் ஒரு இதில் யூனோ பெட்டில் படுத்து த வே த நார்மலி டூ யூனோ லைக் வித் த லெக்ஸ் வே அப் அண்ட் ஆல் ஆஃப் தோஸ் திங்ஸ், அந்த மாதிரி பொசிஷனில் விட்டுட்டு விதவுட் சப்போர்ட், இன்னும் கோவிட் ஹஸ் மேட் இட் ஈவன் வர்ஸ், பட் விதவுட் எனி சப்போர்ட் இல்லாமல் அந்த mother, when she goes through that labor process, that itself has to change first. Water birth or fancy because நீங்களாம் you are very big influencers on Insta. உங்களோட இது வந்துடுச்சுன்னா then people ask, okay, what is water birth? And definitely I will explain, and I'm going to talk about how beautiful it is also. It's not that I want to tell that nobody should have water birth, but அதுக்கு முன்னாடி they should at least find நம்மளோட own voice. As a mother, you found your voice, right, Shruti? So அந்த மாதிரி you have to find your voice to be able to tell எனக்கு இந்த மாதிரி care provider வேணும் who is able to understand what I need, what I want, not just look at labor and delivery as a pathological process. And then to be able to say, okay, water birth is the next level. First of all, under level where if you have that connection with your care provider, labor is a life. It's life work. And the life work when we make her a patient and we talk over her, okay, and people who have had babies can probably sort of remember what their situation was when they were giving birth. இப்போ in the position when they put the oh, there's a baby saying I want to be in the video.
She wants to walk.
She's
yeah. Dad has to take her for
that's too funny. That's too funny. No, she's your daughter, right, from beginning to end. So in that kind of situation, one of the things that we know is on the position where they put the woman in, kaalala mela thuki and the position is actually called a lithotomy position. Okay, when you look at where did that word lithotomy come from, okay, and the lith naka or stone, automina to remove. Okay, so on the position ennathukku vandaduna when they were initially, when it was discovered that this position gives good access to the perineum, the area between the vagina and the rectum, and they would actually take out the stone inside your bladder. Or bladder la stone irundaduna adulende edukradhukku that used to be the position. So now I'm not against the position. I know there are women who will like the position. I know in case of emergencies that's a great position to use. That's good to have the babies, you know, when the baby's heartbeat is going down, when the mom's not straight, you know, mom's in a little bit of a place where she needs some assistance. Definitely, that's a great place to use. But a normal position, the number lithotomy, using that position where the woman's lying semi-naked on the bed, அவளுக்கு கால் கடியில சப்போர்ட் கூட இல்ல, people around her are there, ரெண்டு பேரை காலை தூக்கி பிடிச்சுக்கிறா இல்லைன்னா ஸ்டிரப்ல போடுறா, people are talking over her but not to her,
yeah,
right?
So அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு.
Absolutely. And then see, ஒரு பேபிக்காக அம்மா என்ன வேணா பண்றதுக்கு ரெடி. That's the end of the story. If you tell her to stand on her head, she will stand on her head, right? Because she wants the baby to be safe and her to be safe, right? So அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கச்சே when we are not even giving her the positional benefit, நம்ம water birth ரொம்ப தூரத்தை போயிருக்கு. Right, not a problem.
1 second, I'm more important here.
Yes, hi Akira, no problem. So what happens is when the baby comes out, it is a gentler environment for the baby. It's a gentler environment for the transition or gentler from the womb watery environment to the watery environment outside, and it's a very gentle welcome to the baby. So
Ma'am, we
that's
just
why
got a
water birth
question
is.
here. Somebody asked a nice question. Is it possible for obese women?
So obese women, Garza, again, it is about the fitness. It is not just about the weight. So we have had women who have 37 kgs give birth, and we have had 125 kg women give birth. The
Wow.
idea is that fitness levels, mental preparation, physical
Uh,
preparation is important. And the other thing is, in case of an emergency, the facility and the people should be able to get her out quickly. So there is a
right.
certain category of obesity where I would myself not feel comfortable to get her inside, because what if she's bleeding and I can't get her out? But
Right.
generally, if I think if there is a good level of if the mom's active, the labor is moving well,
True.
and if we have measures to bring her out, then I think we are all right.
Ma'am, and I think the fam should know this. I think I've never seen somebody like Vijaya, ma'am. She's so hardworking. She'll so many labor she'll be handling. She'll be handling even an aerobics class. She'll do all of this 24/7. Ma'am
That's
works
madness.
so hard. You are so inspiring, ma'am. Really, I'm telling you.
Thank
Seeing
you.
you, I was getting tired. Like, ma'am, relax. When do you get time to relax? She's so hardworking and so caring, because
Thank
like
you.
ma'am said, now I saw ma'am with Shruti. I was just spectating, to be honest, and because I knew ma'am is there and she's taking care of Shruti. If Shruti was crouching or she was squatting, ma'am was squatting with her, you know doing this to her hair gently, speaking sweet things in her ear, making her feel calm, relaxed, sweetheart, like a mother helping her own child give birth. Ma'am, I'm telling you, these things men should see. It's one of the most beautiful
Thank you.
experiences ever. I didn't know anything
Right.
about this until Shruti actually started doing research about it. And then following her journey, I learned so many things. And these things are so nice. It's so beautiful. And now I really know
Exactly.
why women, get that respect that they deserve, They do. I mean, why they are like that, why they're looked at as goddesses. And man, you're fabulous, man.
Thank
Yes.
you so much. But again,
Hmm.
traditionally, think how women have given birth. Women have given
Yes.
birth surrounded by other women who have been comforting, knowledgeable overall to the bodily process. They may not be knowledgeable